Greetings and salutations YouTube. Good morning. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. So I did something this morning and I went to go pick something up. I purchased my first thing on Letgo, which is kind of like a online garage sale app. You can post your items that you have for sale on there, and then you can like message people back and forth. And then I don't think you pay any or buy anything like through the app. Like you just like be like, oh, like meet me at this location, and then you're like, then you can pay however you want and then pick up the item, which is crazy. Normally I'm not like, I wouldn't be into that kind of thing because it's kind of like, I never really want to like meet with anyone to pick anything up or drop anything off. I always feel like it's just like, ugh. But this time I feel like the items that were for sale were just like too good to pass up, and we met in like a public place, and it was all good. I have a separate video for what it is that I got, so you guys are gonna have to check that out. But it was intense. I drove to all the way to Newport to pick it up, and I went in the morning. And it was fun. It was pretty cool. The guy that sold me the stuff was super duper nice. I actually just got home right now, and I was like looking through the app again. I was like, oh, this is so cool. I love this app now because I got like such a good deal. And he literally just listed something else that I kind of want, and I'm like, I don't want to drive all the way back, but this is kind of cool. It's a pretty good deal, but I'm still considering it. I'm not 100% certain, but I'm really excited about what I got. And if you guys want to check that out, I'm going to have that video link because it probably went up before this video, because I don't know how much I'm actually going to be vlogging today, so I might be a 2-day vlog. So right now it's about noon. Driving back and forth took a hot second, and I had to go to the bank and get cash and stuff. And then I got back. What I got is really, really heavy, but it's really, really gorgeous, and I'm so excited. It's home decor stuff for the most part, and you guys are definitely going to see these items in the house. I'm going to be putting them everywhere because this is so cool. It's going to look fantastic in so many different places, so I just can't wait to try it out. But that's kind of like my little update for right now. I think I'm going to do some cleaning around the house because I want to like play with what I bought and like move it around and put it in different places. So I'm really excited. Actually, maybe I will show it in this vlog. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. Since the unveiling video will go up before this anyway, so if you guys saw that video, but go watch that first and then come back here and then see how I style it up. But I know Mom and Dad want me to cut and dye their hair today, so that'll be later on when Dad gets home, and then I'm just gonna do everyone, or I might cut Mom's hair before Dad gets home, and then when he gets here it'll be his turn. And then I might also cut John's hair since I'm already cutting everyone else's. I don't think I'm gonna cut the kids' hair because I just did them. They don't really get haircuts too often, nor do they like getting haircuts too often, and I feel like they're fine. They're at home anyway. But yeah, I think that's it for right now. Mom made like this delicious beef. I don't know what it's called. It's like I'll tell you guys exactly what it's called later, but she cooked it in a slow cooker, and it's so good. This is the second or third time I think she's made it, and I'm really, really excited. And that's going to be for dinner tonight. And it's a beautiful day today. It was actually pretty warm when I was driving earlier, so I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty warm throughout the rest of the day. Ooh, it's going to be in the 90s next week. Ay caramba. So, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go get to playing with my new goodies and see how it looks inside the house. Hey guys, we actually just filmed a huge unboxing of Gap stuff and then Grove. So now I think I'm going to cut Mom's hair. She's going to go change and get ready. I'm going to get my utensils, and it is a beautiful day outside. Let's take you guys out here for a second. Oh, but it's really windy, but it's nice. I really want to clean out here, and I think I'm gonna put those chairs up on Let Go. Not the table and the fireplace, but like all the other furniture, the chairs and stuff. So I don't know if anyone's local. I'm gonna sell them for super cheap. I really just want to get them out of here. I think I just died and went to heaven. That looks so gorgeous. Like I can't. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I want to put some oranges in it really quick. I know the table is not set up. I'm probably not going to put it out here for like a little bit till the peonies are done blooming. Then this will make it over here because I don't want to waste the peonies. But oh my gosh, that looks so beautiful. I'm so happy. Or I can put it over there under the TV. I think that would be another really cool spot for it. Alright you guys, time to do mom's hair. To show you guys mom's hair because it came out so cute. I tried to make it like Diane Keaton's hair, and it looks just like it, and something's got to give. Looks so good. It's gonna be even better once we re-dye the roots and then she showers, and it's gonna be like nice fresh hair. Ah, so excited. Alright, I don't know when Dad's haircut got cut off with the camera because it died, but my next victim is Cade. We're gonna take off all the dead ends because he has a lot of damaged ends from when he was in water polo. So I'm just gonna cut off as much of those dead ends as I can, and hopefully it'll be good. So, ooh, look at that. Wow. There's Cade's hair. Looking really good. Woo! Food looks like a hot mess, but it's time to eat. Mom made mashed potatoes. And what's the beef called, Mom?
Mississippi roast.
Mississippi roast. Super good. So our neighbor dropped these off to us earlier, and they are these donuts filled with like strawberries and some sort of syrup, and it looks delicious. Yum.
So yummy.
How is it, Mom?
So good.
So good. Wow. Hey guys, I am in my room now, and boy did I have a long day. Oh my gosh, just from like zipping around getting my new goodies that I didn't even get to really play with them around the house yet because I had to do a bunch of stuff. Cutting mom and dad's hair, dyed their hair. Cade's hair, I think Cade's hair turned out really, really good. He really liked it, and he doesn't like, he's always had like longer-ish hair, and I was like, I really want to go shorter, like on the sides and the back, and I think it looks really fantastic. I think he likes it a lot. Even Zach was like, hey Cade, your hair looks good, and that was awesome. So, then dinner was delicious, and now I'm just like, gonna start working on tomorrow's videos. And yeah, that should be pretty fun. I think am I gonna have 2 videos? I don't know, I might have 2 videos today when you see this, so go check out the other one as well. And that's the end. I love you guys so much. Hope you guys had fun today. Don't forget to check out the sale. itsHadrian.com with 20% off everything in the shop. And I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early at 7 a.m. Bye!